guys, what are you going to draw today?
Gus from
Ryan's World.
Gus from Ryan's World.
Cool.
And if you're new here, my name is Phoenix, and
my name's Sunny.
yeah.
Okay, and I'm Dad. Let's get to it, guys. Y'all ready to draw Gus? Phoenix is going to show us how to draw Gus.
My dad's name's Mike.
Yeah, my name is Mike. Okay, here we go. Okay, you're going to show Sunny how to draw Gus, bud?
Yeah. So first we're gonna draw his eyes. So we're gonna just do 2 circles like that. Need to fix my lines real quick.
Like that.
Now we're gonna draw his pupils. Let's draw another pupil. And then draw another pupil. Look.
That.
And then color those in.
I guess it's funny as eyes.
Did you already color in your pupils?
Yeah.
Okay.
Make that one a little bit bigger.
Now show his head. We're gonna do a B.
Oh, wow. That's looking good, bud. It looks cool.
Need to fix my lines.
Yeah, and do like a circle coming around. That's cool.
Yeah, like
good.
that.
Very cool. It looks good.
Funny.
It looks cool. I like it. I like
Looks
it.
funny.
I like it.
Now let's draw his mouth.
Cool. Gus looks a little bit like the Cookie Monster to start with, huh, guys?
Yeah.
From Sesame Street.
Yeah.
Cookies.
Yeah, he's like
Yeah.
chomping them up.
Yeah.
Chomp, 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 chomp.
Now let's draw his nostrils. Then we'll cut.
The nostrils.
And this.
Sweet.
And then color those in.
Like that.
Cool.
Now let's draw his little spots.
Cool. He's got little frog alligator spots. Yeah. Don't forget his little.
Right there.
He reminds me of like a frog gator.
Who, Gus?
Yeah.
From Ryan's World.
He's kind of froggy and gatory. And his little.
Yay.
Yeah, he's called.
Gus likes gummy worms.
Gummy worms.
Oh, he eats.
I'm probably gonna draw some gummy worms next to him
Yeah,
whenever I'm done coloring him later.
That's a good idea.
I don't think I have
What do we
quite
do
enough
next,
body.
Here we go. We're going to do his body now.
Sonny doesn't really have enough room for his
She
body.
can do him
I
short
need
and fat.
small
Yeah,
body.
he'll be like a
Oh, like that.
He'll be a chubby Gus.
That's how short.
Just a little husky. It's okay.
Nice.
Cool. Little line on his shirt. There's a little line underneath.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
Cool.
Now show the word Gus.
Gus. Okay.
I
Cool.
need to fix my lines real quick. Okay, now let's do a little U.
I already got my guess.
Cool.
Your-
I like those letters, Sonny. Those
Your
are
Gus
cool.
word?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like
I'm
the way
not-
you
I'm
styled
not-
them.
Not
That's
done
cool.
drawing mine.
Okay. Yeah, you're doing the bubble ones. That's cool.
I'm doing the ones that
Yeah, that's
looks
cool.
exactly like this. Now let's draw his arms.
Cool.
First, we're gonna be drawing arm like that.
Sweet. Look at you got little piggy arms. Peek, 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 peek.
Need to fix my lines real quick.
There we go.
Oh.
Little bird.
They look good.
A bird Gus.
I like it. I like
That's
it.
good. Now it's
Gus has the fastest car on Ryan's racers, I remember.
here he is. And
Cool.
then there's a second arm.
Cool. And has little footsies. He's got some feet, don't he?
Footsies.
Those foots, you call them feet.
You call those foots feet. Listen. Then we're gonna draw a line right there.
Cool. Yeah, it's like a sea.
I need a fresh black one because
Fresh black.
This one looks kind of a little bit crusty.
Let me see here. We got. Do you want the crazy art or the The dry erase for the
I
Sharpie.
use a crazy art.
That's a good backup. It doesn't.
Doesn't get all. It doesn't do
Yeah.
the lines on the back of them. Now it's draw his
There you go. It kind of curl up.
like that.
There you go. Cool. Yeah, it's just like a backwards L and then a little U.
And
kinda,
then look.
or like a curvy L
And
and
then
then.
we'll draw some little toesies.
There you go. Oh, perfect. I like that. Sweet. Looks good,
funny.
Sonny. Yeah, it's looking good.
Now
Cool.
let's do his other font.
Cool.
The body. Need to fix my lens real quick.
Sweet.
Now let's do this.
There you go. A little twirly do at the bottom. Perfect.
And
That's looking really good, guys.
Let's draw now it's little toadies.
More little toesies.
Now all we need to do is just color it.
What about his little sleeveys?
Oh
He's
yeah.
got little
Oh
ones
yeah.
for
Oh
his-
yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
his little
Right.
sleeves,
Yeah. Right.
don't he?
Then I draw his tail.
Oh yeah.
What about his teeth? I don't think his tail's really in the picture, but he's got some
Yeah,
little.
yeah,
He's got some little teeth he's got in there. And he's
Oh
got
yeah.
those
Right.
little,
Yeah.
the little lines on his sleeves.
There you
That's
go.
cool.
And he has little.
My teeth look off.
They look good. Hey, he looks like an alligator to me. That looks good, guys.
Yeah, sharp teeth.
That is really cool.
Sunny drew sharp
That's what it
teeth.
said.
Yeah, I like him. Yeah, that's cool. I like it, guys. That's what he has normally.
Now we need to just.
Do some coloring. Okay, guys, hold them up. Let's take a look-see. Let me see. Oh, wow, they look great, guys.
Thanks for watching. Please
look
like
very
and
cool.
subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss the sound of any of our new videos.
You guys memorized that all by yourself. That's great.
Bye.
Cool. I love you guys.